Desmos online graphing calculator to figure out how to build this function. Here's actually a function that satisfies the requirements. Here's what it looks like. And as you can see, I've got 3 different forms for the function. They all look identical. Question is, how did I build these functions? So I'm going to hide that. And the idea is that if we have to have an x-intercept of 2 at 2/3, x minus 2/3 must be a factor. And if I plot the point 2/3, comma 0, there it is. Okay. Now we need a vertical asymptote at x equals -1, which means that the denominator must be undefined at x plus 1. Well, there must be a factor of x plus 1 in the denominator. And there is the vertical asymptote at x equals -1. And I'll make that a dotted line. Well, maybe it will. Come on. There we go. Okay, now we need a horizontal asymptote at y equals 6. Since the degree of the numerator equals the degree of the denominator, all I have to do is introduce a 6 in the numerator, and I will have a horizontal asymptote at y equals 6. There it is. I'm going to try to make that green and dotted also. Okay, now we need a hole at 4, 4. Well, right now, what is the value f of 4 without a hole? Well, it's 4. So I'm going to get the right answer if I just introduce x minus 4 in the numerator and x minus 4 in the denominator. Now f of 4 is undefined, but there is a hole at 4, 4. So I can plot the point 4, comma 4. Put a hole there. And there we go. The other thing is the y-intercept is supposed to be at 0, -4. So we want to put 0 in for x and see what we get for y. Or are we going to get -4? If we do, then we're done. So what is f of 0? It's -4. So that means that I don't have to make any adjustments to the function as it's defined right now. There's the y-intercept. I'll label it. There you go. Okay, that's how you set it up. As you can see here, there's the function as I defined it. If you want to change the way it looks, you can distribute the 6 and get 6x minus 4. Then if you want to, you can multiply the binomials in the numerator and denominator together. That kind of hides the hole. It's not obvious that you have a common factor in the numerator and denominator until you actually factor and cancel. There you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment. I'm going to stop sharing and stop recording.